Total Reciprocating Saw 750 watts. It comes with 2 pieces blades, one for wood and the other for metal. It has a quick connect or snap-on blade replacement. Has a 6-speed variable speed, making the saw versatile, able to cut wood, metal, plastic, gypsum boards, aluminum, and many more. With a power of 750 watts, it's powerful and cuts 10 times faster than a jig saw.
Maximum cutting depth of 115 mm in wood, 8 mm in steel and 22 mm in aluminum.
For your fast and precise cutting needs, the Total Reciprocating Saw is the perfect tool for you.